Now I have to wait for Dylan and his printer. Hey everybody, it's Mara from MatterHackers, and this is your MatterHackers Minute. Have you seen the amazing 3D printed props and costumes from the Broken Nerd on Twitter, or YouTube, or on all the socials? If you follow the 3D printing community at all, and if you don't, you should, you may already be aware of the meteoric rise of the extraordinarily talented and super duper nice Darrell Maloney. Darrell is a graphic designer, but when an injury kept him out of work in February 2017, he started watching 3D printing videos on Uncle Jesse's YouTube channel. He bought his own printer and now is creating content for Make Magazine and doing projects with Adam Savage and the Tested.com team. That's a pretty crazy 18 months. Let's see how he did it. Oh, by being ridiculously talented and crazy nice. Darrell specializes in realistic costume pieces and props, mostly commissioned by cosplay artists and professional costumers. He's done iconic pieces from Marvel Comics like Thor's hammer, Mjolnir, Stormbreaker, the Infinity Gauntlet, as well as items from DC Comics and Star Wars. One of the things that sets Darrell's work apart is the time he takes in his post-processing to get truly remarkable finished pieces. His goal is that when somebody sees his work, they can't even tell it was 3D printed. He starts with sanding, and if the item has a larger surface area, he'll apply Smooth-On XTC 3D and then sand. He starts with 100 grit sandpaper and then gradually moves to 2000 grit sandpaper. 2000 grit. He uses a lot of primer filler and spot glazing putty to help fill in the fine imperfections in the print. Then once it's really smooth, he adds paint and electronics. Being a graphic designer, Darrell is experienced in several software platforms for modeling. Currently he uses Cinema 4D, but it lacks the capability to make accurate measurements. So he also uses Simplify 3D, Cura, and Mesh Mixer, and he's starting to learn Fusion 360 and ZBrush. Darrell hopes to inspire more people to get into 3D printing and maybe tap into a skill set they never knew they had, just like those who came before inspired him. But inspiration starts at home, so you better believe he's working on a simple model robot kit that he and his two sons can put together and play with as a family. For more information about the Broken Nerd and to follow him on all the social media, click the links below. Darrell is MatterHackers Hacker of the Month, and he'll be receiving 2 free spools of MatterHackers Pro Series PLA or ABS. Do you have what it takes to be Hacker of the Month? Tell me about your 3D printed project in the comments below, and you just might be featured in an upcoming video. I'm Mara, and this has been your MatterHackers Minute. Go be awesome.
Thank you for watching. If you liked that, subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all of our videos. And remember, go to MatterHackers.com to shop for everything 3D printing.